Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, one is taking a closer look at a very specific yet incredibly useful product for Apple Watch owners. The SWARK Force Touch Sensor Flex Cable Replacement Repair Kit. This particular kit is designed for the Apple Watch Series 3, specifically the 42mm Cellular LTE plus GPS model. It's absolutely vital to highlight that this kit is not compatible with the GPS-only version of the Series 3, so anyone considering this purchase must double-check their device's model number in the settings or directly on the watch itself before proceeding. This attention to detail regarding compatibility is crucial for a successful repair. What truly sets this SWARK kit apart is its comprehensive nature. It's not just the flex cable. It comes as a complete set, including the necessary connector, and perhaps most importantly for the DIY enthusiast, a professional toolkit. This means that a user isn't left scrambling for additional tools, making the repair process much more accessible. The idea of having everything one needs right out of the box is a huge convenience, especially for a delicate repair like this, where having the correct specialized tools can make all the difference between success and frustration. The quality aspect is also heavily emphasized by the brand. They state that all parts have undergone a series of strict tests before being shipped out and are well packed to ensure they arrive in perfect condition. This commitment to quality gives a user confidence that they are installing a reliable component into their valuable Apple Watch. A non-functional force touch sensor can be incredibly frustrating, essentially crippling a key feature of the watch, so having a high-quality replacement is paramount to restoring full functionality and user experience. For those who might be hesitant about undertaking such a repair, the availability of support is a reassuring factor. SWARK offers assistance, promising to respond within 24 hours via email for any questions. This kind of backing can make a significant difference for someone attempting a repair for the first time or encountering an unexpected issue, providing peace of mind throughout the process. In essence, this SWARK Force Touch Sensor Flex Cable Replacement Repair Kit presents itself as an excellent solution for a very specific problem. It targets a precise Apple Watch model with a complete, high-quality package, aiming to empower users to restore their device's full functionality. For anyone with a 42mm Cellular LTE plus GPS Apple Watch Series 3 experiencing force touch issues, this kit appears to be a thoughtfully assembled option to consider for a reliable and supported repair.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.